Welcome to SIRS Training Videos. My name is Toby. This training session is called Protected Students. We have a detailed document on our website. To find this document, you'll need to go to Resources for Key Users and scroll down to Student Demographics and click on Protected Status. A procedure has been put in place by Alberta Education to restrict access to the records of students who are protected by law. This is to ensure that maximum protection is given to these students. When a court issues a restraining order, it can be under any provincial or federal act. A few examples of these acts would be Child Welfare Act, Domestic Relations Act, Divorce Act, or Youth Criminal Justice Act. The affected student is designated as a protected student. Let's go into SIRS and add a protected status to a student. To do this, you need to click on Student, Demographics, select the student that you will need to protect, and click on the Personal To tab. By placing a check mark in this protected area, it opens up this field for free format typing. You would need to enter the court order in the first line of this area. Court order space dash C cum file. On the next line, you would enter terms stated on the court order, any restrictions noted or specific individuals named, the date a court order was issued, the act under which the order was issued as well. For this example, I'm going to type father has no access. If his name was also recorded on the court order, you could enter the father's name and the act in which the protection is ordered. So this would be the Child Welfare Act, and an expiry date if there is one. Before school authorities can grant protection, legal proof of the student's status, it's usually in the form of a court order, must be provided. No information should be given to anyone other than the school authorities who are directly responsible for the education of the student, the parent or guardian protecting and caring for the student, or an adult charged with the care and control of the student. SIRS Support will report this information to Alberta Education. Your school may also choose to use this protected area for other important communication information about a student. For example, if there's joint custody and mom has day-to-day care and that dad is maybe the emergency contact on a Wednesday, you would also be able to use this protected area for this. Once you've entered this protected information in student demographics, in any form that you use for in SIRS, it will display that custody order. So if you were in individual attendance, or if you were just in the system group, if we go back to currently enrolled students and we select the student that we just put that protected status on, it will display here in the very front page of any form in SIRS. It will say court order C cum file, and it will also have a description of the court order. If you have any other questions regarding protected students, please contact SIRS Support. Thank you.